Hey there people, welcome to Mr. Unbox. Today we're going to take a look at the Kingsong 18L. So let's see what's in the box. We have the manual, we have some power cables and a power brick, and it is 1.5 amps. Oh my god! And this is the KS-18L, completely wrapped and new. We're going to take it for a spin, so hang on! Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to check the tire pressure, and for that I'm going to use this one. And if you have followed this channel, you will know that we already did an extensive review on it. You can click on the card up there to go and see it. What you see behind me here is Henrik from Drones and Electric Unicycles, who also got a KS-18L, and now he is trying to make some great footage to show on his channel. I will leave a link for the channel below.
Damn, that's heavy!
.34 kilometers, average speed 22.58 kilometers per hour.
You can set the speed settings on the Kingsong app, but there seems to be a slight problem because if the voice control is activated, then the speed alarm doesn't work. There's absolutely no beep. It is a well-known fact that these wheels report higher speeds and longer distance than the real distance and the real speed. So I have done some calculations on it, and it seems like they add around 25%, which is actually quite a lot. That means if you think you have been riding for 40 kilometers, you might have actually just been riding 30. The issue is the placement of the light sensor. It seems that the headlight from cars and from street lights can actually make the light sensor think that it's too bright to turn on the lights. The only solution for this is to cover up the sensor. The ride is extremely stable. It feels incredible even at high speeds, and that can be quite dangerous because all of a sudden you're going 30, 35, 40 kilometers per hour and you're not even noticing it because it just feels so smooth. It's incredible. The feeling is amazing. There's so many bugs out here in the nature.